Hey guys, what's going on? Steve Cronin. You know, it's well known in the contemporary field of psychology that journaling, the practice of consistent journaling, can really help you out mentally. It allows for persistent daily kind of evaluation of what's going on in your life, as well as looking at things from another perspective. Like, instead of viewing them from like the I perspective, like this is happening to me right now, you can reflect on it through like a third person kind of way because you're analyzing material that you've written. So how can we use this as biohackers to help like improve our mood, our focus, and really up and enhance our cognition? That's coming up. Hey guys, what's going on? So I want to talk to you about the 5-minute journal. Little guy here I found out from actually Tim Ferriss. Talked about it a lot and heard about it from him. What's different about the 5-minute journal other than journaling, I mean, it's all set up for you to like fill in lines, but it actually guides your thoughts, right? It tries to channel your thoughts and what you write down in a specific way to really help you to really gain from your thoughts and help to organize them. So when you read them back, they make sense and they're patterned in a way that it can help you when you pick up this journal a month from now and review what you've written before. So there's a few things that this journal asks you to write each day. I'm not going to go through all of them here, but 3 of them are: what would make today great? You get 3 responses there. Daily affirmations, I'll come back to that in a second. And what you're grateful for at the top, and there's some more as well. So just to kind of go through these one by one. Why would being more grateful help you out in terms of like being a biohacker? Just gonna read right from the book on this one. In 2003, a study found that keeping a daily gratitude journal leads to not just an increased sense of well-being, but also better sleep, willingness to accept change, and also help lower the symptoms of physical pain. I definitely don't have enough gratitude in my life. Like, I definitely take a lot of things for granted, like maybe the bed I sleep in or the apartment I have. And a lot of the times my mind is like anxiously rolling on about like, oh, like what's my next YouTube video gonna be? Like, what am I gonna do 5 months from now? Like, I'm always like kind of living in the future. And so maybe taking some time to reflect on what I have and in the present might lessen my anxiety a bit and improve my mood, well-being, and focus. The last one I'm gonna go over is answering the question, what would make your day great? They say here, there's a small part of your brain called the reticular activation system that turns on and off your perception of ideas and thoughts. You're actually taking a step to influence your RAS system to point out and engage in activities that would make your day better. So you're building new pathways in your brain. You're changing the physiology of your brain to see things in that way. That's really cool. We probably do this on an unconscious level anyway, and kind of like construct and build these realities for ourselves. But I think using this as a tool to kind of like have some more conscious awareness brought into how we construct our reality sounds like really fun stuff. No drugs, no technology, just writing. So what I'm gonna do, so I've read the first part of this book, which is kind of like the instructions. So it's like about that much of the book. The rest of it is journaling time. So I'm gonna do this, let's do it for about 10 days, maybe 2 weeks, we'll see. I'm gonna do it every day, do the journal every day until maybe I start noticing some effects. If I don't notice some effects after a couple weeks, then I'll probably stop doing it and then come back with a video update on the 5-minute journal. If you've tried this before, please let me know in the comments below what it did for you, or make a response. I love when people make video responses. Make a response to this video or how the 5-minute journal helped you. I think that'd be pretty awesome. Regardless, subscribe to this channel so you can stay tuned, not only learn more about like biohacking tips, cognitive enhancement tips, but to see the outcome of what happens with 5-minute journal. Should it be in every biohacker's bookshelf? We'll find out.